Hey, I'm in a 2004 Mazda 6, and if any of you have ever seen this before, where you'll have the TCS light on, the traction control light, and the ABS light. This is a problem that is caused from this button right here being jammed. So the way you fix it is you take this button out, and the best way to do it is you just go in from the back and you just see what's going on. Just play with the wires, unplug it, plug it back in, see if these lights will actually turn off. So just play with it a little bit and then put it back in and it'll fix it. It's a very easy fix. You just gotta unjam your button. Alright, good luck, guys.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.